Good day, class. Today, we will have another new topic. So, the world today is characterized by ever growing contacts, resulting in numbers of miscommunication between people with different linguistic and cultural backgrounds. In order to answer this miscommunication, let us discuss intercultural communication.
And now, to elaborate the definition, intercultural communication is how people of different languages or dialects and cultures understand each other. An intercultural communication occurs when an individual or more have an interaction about something while carrying their cultural backgrounds that vary from one another. Intercultural communication as communication that is influenced by different ethnicities, religions, and sexual orientations. And it happens when people draw from their varied cultural identities to understand one another. So, interpretations show that intercultural communication takes place when people draw from their varied cultural identity to understand values, prejudices, languages, attitudes, and relationships. Also, this communication is seen as a bargained understanding of human experiences across diverse societies.
It's a big world, full of difference and diversity. How you see others is influenced by your own cultural perspective, and how others see you is influenced by their cultural perspective. What happens when you speak? Do people from other cultures understand you in the way you intended? And what happens with different cultures in the workplace? How rigid or flexible is their approach to rules? Is formal or informal behaviour expected? And how do different cultures approach timekeeping? In today's global business environment, it is essential to learn how to navigate across different cultural landscapes. You need a good set of tools to do this. You need an understanding of how different cultures trade and do business, an insight into how different cultures communicate, and a clear idea of how different cultures manage people. To be a savvy global traveller, you need to be willing to undertake the journey of understanding other cultures. Develop cultural intelligence so you can communicate confidently across cultures.